Glue, 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 glue.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be making this awesome F-14 aircraft right here. And this is a plane I got all the way from Temu, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. And I'm gonna attach the link to this product in the description, and you can buy it for yourself. And there's also gonna be a code where you can get an awesome discount. So a few quick things. This is a 1x72 model, and the dimensions are 26 by 26 by 7 centimeters. Let's start making it. Here I have the pieces with me, and now we're gonna build. So, first step is we get the bottom part of the canopy, which is, ooh, we gotta find it. Where did it go? Oh, right here. There he is. So then we put this on the first hole right here and snap it on. Next, we're gonna get this and snap it on to the front section of the body. There you go. Make that nice sound. And also, quick notice, it goes in these two holes right here. So it's gonna be easy to figure out. Next, we're gonna add the top part of the canopy. Just gonna go right. Oh, before we do that, I forgot. This is the main canopy. So I just gotta snap it on right there. There we go, so that it moves nice and easily. Like that. So now we're gonna attach it on. So far, so good. So, we got a little bit of our front section now. Time for the body. Now, for the body, we're going to have to attach this to the back. So, we have an extra room to work with. Next is the cool part, the wings. So, what we're going to do is tuck the wings all the way inside at a nice sort of angle, right? We're gonna tuck this one in as well. Same thing, tuck in the wings. Then we're gonna put the cover and snap that on. Right there, and then 1, 2, 3, there. Nice and snapped on. Next, we're gonna head back to the back of the jet, which is the engines and stuff. Oop, forgot to mention, these can open, and I just got to slide this through. So, that's done, and we close up the wings. There we go. Oop, there we go. Perfecto. Now we're gonna do the, what do you think we should do first on our jet? Should we do the engines or the rudders? Oh, I completely forgot a step. I forgot to tell you guys, I am so sorry. We have multiple steps we missed actually. So, first step, the elevators. Gotta snap them on, you see this part? Snap them on right here. And we snap that one on as well. Ooh. And that might start coming off, so you might just want to press it back in. And by the way, the stickers are ready, come on. And then am I missing something else? Nope, I don't think so. Yeah, that's it. That was the only thing we missed. Now we just gotta tuck this all the way back in. Bingo. Wait. Yes, let's go. Bingo. We got the two big jet engines. And in the end, whoop. And in the end, it should look like that. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Boop. All done. Now time for the rudders. It takes a little bit of pressure to put them in, but you get it. There we go. So most of our jets pretty much built. Pretty good, I should say, right? Pretty cool. Oh, forgot one last thing. Now we got to put on the nose. Gonna slide that on, and there we go. Our F-14 is pretty much complete, but we have some extra steps to do. Well, if it's a fighter jet, how can you forget the missiles and stuff? Well, so first we're gonna add the fuel tanks. Fuel tanks go right under the engine, the extra fuel tanks. So right here underneath the air intake sort of thing. Next we have, I think these are sidewinders. So we're gonna put them right in the middle, right here, down the middle. Right here, nice and easy. And next we have the other missiles. And you guys are probably wondering what this is for. Well, this is another piece to put on the back to make the engines look more realistic. So if you can see, it looks more cooler. So we got the missiles on. We're missing one more thing, because you can't take off like that, can you? You need landing gears. So I'm gonna place the landing gear on. This comes with the stand, and the stand is pretty self-explanatory. So I just decided to build this, which is a little tricky, the plane itself. And bam! We are done with our F-14. So some of the features are the elevators move, and I already showed you the wings move too. And then the canopy opens. So I'm just gonna park that right there, and boom, our F-14 is ready to fly. Maverick is ready to fly. Firing a missile at the camera. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the plane on the stand. So first you're gonna have to flip the plane over. And then you see this little sort of rectangle thing. You're gonna have to attach it right there, and you gotta kind of squeeze it in there. Push it through. There you have it. So the canopy can open and the wings can move. So I'm gonna go over the features again. So one of the features is the canopy can open and close. That's a pretty nice cockpit. And then another feature is the wings, which can be swept at as many degrees as you want. It's pretty cool. And then the elevators move. So yeah, and then we have some missiles and stuff at the bottom, which you can take out. Yeah. So this is your F-14 Tomcat.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.